Hello, I'm going to rustle up a very quick, very easy mixed vegetable medley stir fry. In Punjabi, we call it Aloo Gajar and Matar Sabzi. My name is After. Hope you're well and you're having a lovely day. Aloo stands for potatoes, Gajar is carrots, and I've got matar, green peas, and optional, I'm going to add some sweet corn as well. Or if you've got a bag of mixed vegetables, use those. Now this is very healthy to include in your meals regularly. Just going to be using the tomato and onion sauce, two main ingredients, and of course I have the garlic, ginger, green chilies, some red chilies, cumin, salt and turmeric. I have got some optional ingredients here. Do stay with me throughout so you don't miss out the optional ingredients later on. It's very quick and really nice, lovely, beautiful colors. Some oil, use a good quality cooking oil. Cumin, 2 teaspoons. I've taken one medium-sized onion. To cook my garlic, can be finely chopped or garlic paste or crushed garlic. I've taken 2 cloves. Saute them lightly until they are like golden color. Onions are ready and garlic has been fried. Add the turmeric. So I've got a teaspoon of turmeric and I have a teaspoon of red chilies. Flavors start getting released and instantly my tomatoes, using 2 medium-sized fresh tomatoes, will also give you that sourness to balance the taste. 4 carrots, filled me up one of these bowls, and I've done the same with potatoes as well. Diced them and washed them. Tomatoes have started releasing the oil, so it's separating. That means they're done. 2 teaspoons of salt. Add the carrots first because these are more hardy. So they're going to take a little bit more time than the rest of the vegetables. Good stir. Ginger goes in, cooked slowly so the flavors remain until the end. 2 green chilies. Cover it so that this gets cooked for at least 5 minutes, and I'm going to turn the heat down. Carrots have been cooking away on a low heat. Delicious aroma coming out. Optional ingredient add here is kasuri methi or fenugreek. It's one of my favorites herbs. I've taken 1 teaspoon. Potatoes go in. If you were using the frozen vegetables and you wanted to add the potatoes, so you would give a quick stir fry to the potatoes right at the beginning before adding your mixed vegetables. Turn the heat down, let it gently get cooked away for another 5 minutes. Absolutely delicious aroma coming out of the veg. Cheese goes in. Now, also depending on the size that you have cut your vegetables, that will also define your cooking time. Give a good stir, just a couple of minutes for the peas, and in goes the sweet corn because it's even more tender. It goes finally at the end. Again, mix it so that it gets stir fried in that oil. So another couple of minutes, you can tell the oil is separating, and because the sweet corn is so tender, it only takes like 2 minutes. Aloo Gajar Matar Sabzi or mixed vegetable medley stir fry is ready. The main vegetables as well as the sauce, they've got their own multiple flavors there. This is optional. This is coriander seeds and I have ground them. 2 teaspoons of the powder there goes in there right towards the end. All the aroma that my mixed sabji is releasing is beautiful, and I'm just dying to eat it now. You can have it with the roti or naan or puri or paratha, as a side dish, as a main meal. I hope you've enjoyed this, and we see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye for now, and God bless you all.